Taylor Howe, Premier Farm Realty Group and Auction. Today we proudly present a truly exceptional 105-acre tract in Madison County, just miles from Jackson city limits. This remarkable tract features gently rolling hills, offering numerous potential home sites and making it an ideal recreational retreat. Of the total acreage, approximately 53 acres are enrolled in the Conservation Reserve Program, generating an annual income of around $5,700 with 5 years remaining on the current contract. Additionally, 42 acres are established in Pine Plantation, creating superior habitat for wildlife management and outdoor enjoyment. Strategically placed food plots and a meticulously maintained internal road system ensure convenient access through the property. These trails not only enhance functionality, but also provide scenic views, making them perfect for walking, horseback riding, or simply enjoying the landscape. Opportunity to acquire a property of this caliber, boasting natural beauty, income potential, and a close proximity to Jackson are rare. Contact me, Taylor Howe, for a private showing today at this unique property.